Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today I am going to guide you on how to sit in front of a webcam during webinar, conferences, or online classes. Also, I will be introducing a new device, CAMFO TRIMMER, which I just invented a few days before. And the great thing is, its cost is zero. Though your seating position exposes your complete house, Camphor Trimmer reduces your webcam's field of view, thus focusing only your face. This is a best seating position for online classes and webinars. The reason is, if you sit closer to the wall, webcam's field of view will be minimized. I have seen many participants exposing their complete house during online classes and webinars. Since the field of view is very wide, there is high possibility of family members being exposed. This is an example of a bad seating position for online classes and webinars. The reason is larger area comes under the webcam's field of view. Suppose you don't have an alternative, then this is where Camphor Trimmer comes in. Camphor Trimmer is a very beneficial tool to focus only the subject. Camphor Trimmer is a simple DIY device. Now let us see how to make this device. Just take a small box. Here I am using a soap box. Now start cutting the box from one side of the box as shown in the video and keep cutting so that it looks like a U. Ensure that the slit suits the width of your laptop screen. As you can see, the front opening of the box is larger. So, I pasted a small paper strip to reduce the area. Now our camphor trimmer is ready. Now as you can see, the webcam focuses wider area. Let us fix camphor trimmer and check the difference. Now you can see only your face comes in the webcam's field of view. This is the end of this video. For more videos, watch our YouTube channel Atarashi Hinode.